Welcome to our video on how to promote your birthday promotion and get more customers through the door. As a business owner, you already know the importance of a good promotion, but how do you make sure your target audience is actually coming to your door? In this video, we'll explore some tips and tricks for promoting your birthday promotion to get more customers through the door. Before you can begin promoting your birthday promotion, it's important to know exactly who you're promoting it to. Take some time to research your target audience and understand their demographics, interests, and buying habits. This will help you tailor your promotion to capture their attention and bring them through the door. Once you know your target audience, it's time to create promotional material that will catch their eye and encourage them to visit your business. This could include social media posts, emails, flyers, or even a promotional video. Consider hiring a professional designer or marketer to help create compelling material that will stand out from the crowd. Social media is one of the most powerful marketing tools available today, and it can be incredibly effective for promoting your birthday promotion. Consider using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other platforms to spread the word about your promotion. You can also consider running ads on these platforms to reach an even wider audience. Partnering with other businesses can be a great way to expand your reach and promote your birthday promotion to a wider audience. Consider partnering with local restaurants, shops, or even blogs to help get the word out. You could even create a joint promotion that encourages customers to visit both businesses. Everyone loves a good incentive, and offering a special deal or discount can be a great way to encourage customers to visit your business. Make sure your incentive is compelling and targeted to your audience's interests. You could also consider offering prizes or contests to further entice customers to participate. While promoting your birthday promotion may seem overwhelming, taking the time to understand your target audience and create compelling promotional material can help ensure your efforts pay off. By utilizing social media, partnering with other businesses, and offering incentives, you can get more customers through the door and ensure successful promotion.